In this video, I'll show you how to pin views in Monday.com. Start by opening the board that contains multiple views. If you frequently use a specific view, pinning it makes it easier to access quickly from the top of the board. First, look near the top of the board where all your view tabs are displayed. Find the view you want to pin. Click the drop-down arrow or three-dot menu beside the view name. A menu will appear with additional view options. Look for the option labeled Pin View or Add to Favorites, depending on your version of Monday.com. Click it. The view will now stay visible near the top of the board for faster access. Pin views are especially useful for teams that switch regularly between layouts like Calendar View for scheduling or Kanban View for workflow tracking. You can also reorder views by dragging them left or right across the top navigation bar. If you ever want to unpin a view later, open the same menu again and select the Unpin option. Using pin views helps teams navigate boards faster and reduces time spent searching through multiple layouts. And that's how to pin views in Monday.com.